My boyfriend is so cute, I feel so lucky. Yeah, but his brother is kind of funny looking. So, I'm not dating him. Just thinking about it.
Nobody is buying VCR right now.
Hey, what can I do for you? You go enjoy yourself.
Sitting at a bar. We move on the advancement of stencil, pencil, drawing out trials and tribulations. He been through, he send you, ended to the first step. Looking back to move forward, the first step. I'm on a path of greatness and prosperity. Apparently, it's evident by the way he spoke so intelligently. Hesitation, the best truth. Too many places in man, young eyes and rescue. No suffocation from a test tool, we run easier. Androids of the jam, boy, turn your speeders up. Guidance supplying whenever needed.
屌！你叫醒佢啦！係啊，而家。
What the fuck's going on?
Dog Eyes shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
你同我冚唪唥叫醒佢哋啊！
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬 everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發。
Listen up! We're hitting his sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks move through that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that Gaton in a shallow grave. 你等緊乜嘢啊？走啊！
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suwa alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Get in.
Dog Eyes gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun. You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there. And we need Suwa alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, we're going in shooting. This is Dog Eyes' biggest money maker. They're not gonna give it up without a fight.
But you want me unarmed.
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun. And use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. Or as I'm concerned, there's only one test that matters.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eyes' drug dealers to prove it? All right? It'll be my pleasure. All right, here's the plan. Go to the back door. I'll look around, you wait for my signal to attack.
What? You seen the new premieres?
The ones?
Silver.
I know him. It's part of Winston. Fucking get him! Who the fuck is this? Siwa, you're coming with me.
Fuck you! You're not taking me alive! Stop! All right, light it up!